We will have a quick look into MuleSoft Community. So let's open this unit. So in this unit, we will explore the MuleSoft Community. So learning objectives are leverage the MuleSoft Community to build your automation and integration skills. Explore MuleSoft Community resources. Connect and engage with other automation and integration enthusiasts. What is the MuleSoft community? The MuleSoft community is a global group of people who love working with MuleSoft. These people are called Muleys. So they help each other learn how to connect apps, data, and system more easily and quickly. So in the community members lead learning groups, make videos and write tutorials, share their own MuleSoft solutions, organize events and meetups. So it's a great place to learn, share, and grow with others who enjoy using MuleSoft. So build your automation and integration skills. So whether you are new to MuleSoft or already have experience, the MuleSoft community is here to help you learn and grow. So what you can do, get learning materials and support from other community members. Improve your skills in automation and integration, and use Trailhead to learn step by step. So find answers in Trailhead community groups. You can join MuleSoft community groups on Trailhead too. Ask questions, get help from other learners, and talk about MuleSoft topics. So connect with people who have the same interests. So here are some main groups you can join. MuleSoft community group, where learn more about MuleSoft and the Anypoint platform, stay updated on new feature and events. MuleSoft Composer community group, get help and connect with others using MuleSoft Composer. MuleSoft RPA community group, ask questions, learn tips, and share your experience with MuleSoft RPA. So discover and share MuleSoft tutorials. If you like learning by watching, the MuleSoft community has many helpful videos and tutorials made by experts and beginners. So you can watch live or recorded videos with step-by-step solutions. You can join weekly live session on Twitch with MuleSoft experts. You can explore more tutorials on the MuleSoft YouTube channel. So these videos make learning fun and easy. Collaborate in MuleSoft meetup groups. So you don't have to learn only online. You can also meet other MuleSoft users in person. Join a local MuleSoft meetup group, connect with people from around the world, learn new things, share ideas, and grow your skills. But build your network and improve your leadership. You can join meetup groups based on your location, job role, or interest. So, how to get more active in the MuleSoft community? Anyone can be part of the MuleSoft community, no matter their experience. You can also become more active by joining the MuleSoft Slack workspace, where professionals talk about integration and automation. So, want to take a bigger role? You can become a community leader. So, meetup leaders host local or online MuleSoft events, organize meetups at least once every 3 months, mentors certified MuleSoft experts, answer questions, create content, host events, and help others learn. Ambassadors, top community leaders help others share knowledge and always keep learning. So they are role model in the MuleSoft community. You can also nominate someone or apply to become a leader. So every MuleSoft member is a champion, no matter their role or title. Every MuleSoft community member is a champion. So they work with MuleSoft teams to improve products and the community. They love to help others by sharing knowledge and building connections. They are motivated to give back and support fellows learns. Everyone in the community plays an important part. So what's next? Next, join the MuleSoft community. Become a member of the MuleSoft community too. Explore and talk about MuleSoft solutions, learn new skill and real life examples, get and give technical help, receive support and motivation from other MuleSoft learners. It's a great place to grow and connect with others. So now let's take a quiz. So what resources are available to you in the MuleSoft community to help you build your integration and automation skill? So according to this topic, what we have learned, so let's check our knowledge. MuleSoft community meetup groups, MuleSoft Trailhead community groups, MuleSoft community Instagram. So I think A and B are correct answers, so we will select D option. Who are the two types of leaders in the MuleSoft community? So yeah, mentors and meetup leaders. So let's check a challenge.